Do you speak English but sound more like a robot? Don't worry. Today I will give you 5 easy ways to sound more natural when speaking English. You don't need a fancy grammar, just these simple tricks. Hey friends, welcome to the TST Learning English. This is Jaam. I make you speak real English and confident with short and funny lessons. If you want to sound more like a native speaker, stay with me. Tip number 4 is my favorite. Tip number 1, use contractions. Native speakers never say, I do not know. They say, I don't know. Say, I am. They are. We are. They have. We have. It sounds faster and more natural. Tip number 2, use connected speech. Don't speak like a robot. I want to go out. Instead say, I want to go out. I want to go out. It's normal English, not wrong. Native speakers do this all the time. Tip number 3, learn common phrases. Learn real phrases, not just grammar. For example, what's up? I'm good, thanks. Sounds great. Long time no see. Learn chunks, not just words. Tip number 4, practice speaking out loud. Repeat after native speakers. Shadow them. Copy them. I do it all the time, even Barack Obama's. It trains your mouth and ears. Tip number 5, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Nobody speaks perfectly. Even native speakers mess up sometimes. The most natural speakers are the most confident ones, not the perfect ones. Let's try a mini practice. I will say a phrase, you repeat after me. I'm gonna go now. Wanna hang out later? Sounds good to me. Good job, you are already sounding better. Which of these tips will you use first? Comment below. And don't forget to share, like and subscribe to the TST Learning English for more natural speaking every week. This is Jaam. Keep learning, keep smiling and keep practicing. See you in the next time. Bye bye.